welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I do my goddess braids, how I insert my curls, and just and also I do not dip this one. I feel like whenever I do the goddess braids, I don't dip them, just because of when you dip them it's going to damage the curls. Again, it just depends on the curls that you're using. If you're trying to braid the braiding hair and then use like the roller to curl your client's hair, of course you can dip those one because of the curls are going to come from the braids, but I'm using a separate hair for the curls and separate hair for the braid as well. So first I'm going to be showing you how I make my very clean part. So first I just do like a rough draft, which is making your parts, combing your client's hair through, making sure your lines are straight or close to being straight at least. I am not great with lines, but I know that I do try my best when it comes to them. And we're going to be doing size small, but around the neck area, I try to give it a little bit of weight, just because it's usually like the softest part of your client's hair, or softest part of any hair at all, your the back and also the edges as well. And after this, I'm going to go ahead and add my edge control so I can make the plait cleaner. Just make it more clean silk and just, well laid back. So I'm going to go ahead and just make my line again. And that is what I'm going to do for the rest of my client's hair. I did use the ruler braiding hair for my braiding hair. And for the curls, I'm not going to lie to you guys, I've had the curls for a minute, so I just used one of the curls that I saw, and I'm relocating to Dallas or to Texas, Dallas really soon, so I'm very disorganized as of right now, so I'm just using whatever I see. So now I'm going to show you how I insert my client's curls. Again, I'm putting my edge control through, and now we're going to start braiding. Yeah, I don't know what happened to my voice, guys, but sorry. So now we're going to start braiding. So it's a knotless goddess braids. So you're just going to go go your regular way. Start inserting my braiding hair, and after that I'm going to show you how I insert my curls after inserting my braiding hair. So for the roots area, try to be as firm and as tight as you need to be. Of course, not too tight. My client never complains, so clearly it's not too tight, but yeah, just because of the neck area is very, very soft, and your braids can easily slip through, so you want to just be firm and just try your best. So now I'm going to go ahead and insert my curls the way I insert my braids. So that is it. I'm going to insert it, and I'm going to take that one part and just hang it in there. Instead of braiding with it the way I do with my braids, I'm going to hang one part. It could be the left, it could be the right, but I need to hang something there. And I'm just going to continue braiding. And then I'm going to do the same thing when I get like almost the end. And then that is how I insert my curls. There are other ways in which you can insert your curls. I think I showed another way to insert your curls in this tutorial. But if I'm inserting my curls towards the roots, towards the roots of my client, this is how I insert it. It's even easier this way. Why sometimes you can just insert them. You know how you do like your extended braids, how you add on braids as you braid. The same thing you do for your curls. You can add on the curls as you braid and then just hang it in there, just so that it's no distraction. Again, people usually like braid and then crochet your curls into it. And somebody have asked me, does your curls last longer when you crochet it or when you braid it in? To me personally, it lasts longer when you braid it in, because of when it's crochet, when you kind of comb through your hair with your fingers, it's just like sliding back and forth, but when you braid it in, it's more easy to handle. When it gets tangled, you can just cut your braids, but if the crochet gets tangled, I don't know, it's just hard to maintain and just hard to cope with overall. And that's just, how I feel. But I haven't really crocheted my clients' curls or anything like that. When my clients come for like a new curls, because sometimes they will have their hair for like 2 months or a month, they still love their braids, but they just want to change their curls, then I do the crochet thing for them, and they're aware of that. You get what I'm saying? Or they even do the crochet thing by themselves if they want to. But generally, the best is to braid your client's curls, into the braid, just so that it's more easy to handle. And for the maintenance for this style, all you need is just the mousse and like hairspray. Basically, that's all you need. And also the curls was added into every other braid, so it doesn't have to be every braid. Now if your clients want it really curly, I like mine really curly. When I'm doing my own hair, I'm going to do it like almost every braids, but know that some clients don't want it like that, or you might not want it like that. So I did it for her. I did like every other braid. As you can see, we had 4 braids at the the first line, and I only had curls in 2 of them. So that is what I mean. So every other braid, or sometimes you skip 2 and then do another one. So just basically you're going to see where it needs some curls, and then you're going to go ahead and just add as you go. And yeah, this is the size small, and the length is going to be made back, and we're using color 2. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Thank you.